Hello everyone, welcome back to the Wolf. So right now the main purpose of making this video, and this video is not about any daily setup or daily chart analysis and what is happening in the crypto market. It is more about the US, what is happening in the US right now, and it is all a puppet show right now, I'll be honest. So this is a quick video, but I'm just expressing my thoughts that what I feel is happening in the US right now. So first of all, unfortunately Donald Trump became the president of US, and the first thing I can't understand is that he was the 45th president of US, and then the next time he lost the election, or the 46th president election, and now again he got re-elected. And this is the thing that worries me the most, because people already knew his main 4 years of experience of being a president when he was the 45th president, and still now people has elected him as the 47th president, and which is a bit weird. And I know most of the Americans did not even vote it, because the options were hilarious, like the Republicans versus the Democrats. Both the options were, hilarious. One side was Kamala Harris, Joe Biden, and other side Trump. So most of the people did not even voted, and the people who voted in favor of Trump was just because of Elon Musk and his Twitter influence. And I'll be honest with you guys, $44 billion is not the cost of Twitter. It is not the cost of free speech at all. It is the cost of America. So basically, America sold out to a South African for $44 billion. And I'm not hitting Elon at all. I'll be honest, that guy has some brain as well. Definitely. So yeah, basically talking about Trump right now, the main presidency Elon Musk is running, not even Trump. Trump is just sitting there in the office, in the Oval Office, and Elon Musk is controlling. And obviously you know that Elon Musk whole company and Tesla, it is all similar to Enron, and the price of Tesla is just on hopes, same as MicroStrategy. So yeah, currently the whole US is now a puppet show, and as you can clearly see the trade war right now happening in Mexico or China or Canada, and it is all just a clown show. And one more thing I want to share with you guys, before the election Trump was trying its best to come in the election. He did everything possible just to win the election, because he knew that people know his reality. He knew that it is not easy for people to make fool out of them, so he targeted crypto people. And I'll be honest, crypto was way better in Joe Biden's era, and it is just the false narrative that they build, a propaganda that they build, that crypto is dying in Joe Biden era. Nothing has died at all. Crypto was still there, and is still now also it is here only. And the false propaganda was that Trump is supporting crypto, spot Bitcoin, this and that, Bitcoin reserve will be made in America, this and that. Full lies. And the whole crypto community, they are just dumb. I'll be honest, the crypto Twitter people, they are the dumbest people on the internet. Anyone can make a fool out of them. And everyone was in favor of Trump. Why? Because he is supporting crypto. You really think that he's supporting crypto? He's just a politician. And now look closely, there is no Bitcoin reserve at all, and I don't think it will ever be introduced. All he's doing is just buying cryptos that are made in America and fully centralized, like XRP, Ripple, USDC, etc., on his public wallet, and nothing at all. He did bought Bitcoin on his public wallet just to show people that, see, I'm buying Bitcoin, and that was also wrapped Bitcoin or on Ethereum blockchain. So how hilarious it is. And obviously now, see, the main thing is crypto was made as a form of money to replace US dollar, right? Decentralized, no censorship, and basically you have the control. But guess what is happening right now? All the major projects basically beg their dream is to list on a centralized exchange. Okay, now spot Bitcoin ETFs are getting approved, which is again red flag. US is buying Bitcoin, also a red flag. I mean, like, there is no purpose left for crypto now. The price of Bitcoin is just all on hopes. Plus the USDT scam is right now happening in the market, the biggest scam of all time, which is manipulating the price of Bitcoin, along with MicroStrategy scam as well. So there are multiple bubbles right now, and the price of Bitcoin right now you see at 96k. This is not real. The real price of Bitcoin is at 10,000 or 15,000. This is all just inflated price, and I mean, this is just hilarious. Also, the concept of centralized exchange, I still don't get it. You put your crypto on a centralized exchange where you are not the owner anymore, the exchange is the owner. And after the FTX scam, still people don't understand it and are putting their funds on a centralized exchange. And I mean, I'll be honest with you guys, it is so easy to make fool out of crypto people. I mean, crypto Twitter people are just fools, I'll be honest. And not only Twitter, but YouTube or anyone, any average crypto investor, crypto trader who does not use his common sense or his critical thinking, he's just a dumb person. Sorry, but this is the reality. And if you are listening to your favorite influencers and when they shill a coin, you go and buy, and you think this is the future, you write hashtag BTC or dollar BTC, dollar SUI, dollar ETH in your bio, and you think yes, we are changing the future. No. Ethereum, Bitcoin, they are all fully centralized. Big whales control these assets right now. They own the, I would say, the nodes, they own the validators, and they are the one main who control the blockchain, not you. You buy a crypto and you think that yes, I did it, and you bought it from a centralized exchange and you think, oh yes, I did it. No, you did nothing. You are just a part of a get rich quick Ponzi scheme, and the main purpose for you to buy Bitcoin here is because that the price of Bitcoin maybe in future will pump towards the upside, so that you can sell your Bitcoin to a person over here, and that person will buy the Bitcoin here. He will then think the same, that in future price of Bitcoin will pump and he will sell it to someone else, and this goes on and on and on. And obviously it is just a Ponzi scheme. I mean, basically whole money is just based on belief only after 1972 Richard Nixon. And I'll be honest with you guys, I know whole money is just right now on belief, thin air, but Bitcoin does not have even a single real value. Gold, silver, these are all just on belief. The price you see of gold and silver, absolutely, these are all just on belief. Okay, I mean, who sets the price for gold and silver? We only, right? Based on supply and demand. But they have real utility in this world. But Bitcoin, there is no utility. Yes, there is one small tiny utility, and that is to scam people. Have you seen any news related to Bitcoin that governments are using Bitcoin? This man transferred this billions of dollars using Bitcoin, or any positive news? No. All you see is just negative and scammy news about Bitcoin, that exchanges got scammed, exchanges got hacked, this project scammed its investors, this project did a rug pull, this NFT was a scam, this influencer was shilling a scam. And I mean, crypto is the best thing to use for a scam, I'll be honest with you guys, and this is the reality. And this is the real use of crypto. I mean, to use it in gambling, to use it in scamming. All you see on all the gambling websites, you see they accept crypto at the first priority. Why? That's a small work for you to think that why they accept it. And yeah, all these crypto related companies are registered in Bahamas or some island, small islands here and there. I mean, crypto is full of scam, and it is used for scam only, and people, innocent people, are just getting manipulated. And yeah, same as Spy Network. Oh my god, that is just another bubble, I would say, another topic, another biggest scam. I mean, crypto is nothing but a scam right now. Bitcoin also lost its whole real purpose very year ago, like I mean 5-10 years ago only, when they hijacked Bitcoin and they intentionally reduced the block size of Bitcoin, and it was of no use case at all. So I mean, see, the thing is that I don't know if you are listening to this video till now or not, and I don't know if you are taking it seriously or not. That's why I will say to do your own research, that everything that I said in this video, counter check it, and yeah, I mean, just counter check all of the facts and the data that I presented in front of you guys, and from now on think critically and use your common sense. And you can be a part of a bubble, but it's better to just get out at the right time. Okay, I'm not suggesting you or no financial advice, but just saying that you have to be smart than the rest 99% to be able to benefit. Okay, and sometimes not taking any action and just watching is the best action. All right, so yeah, I mean, this was a quick video. I did had many thoughts in my mind and many things to discuss, so I thought, why not make a video? And the next 4 years are just hilarious for America, and full dictatorship, and I mean oligarchy. I'll definitely make more videos, and I'll definitely come in this game, this whole game right now. I'll enter in this game, and soon, just few years later, you will see me in this game, and definitely doing something better than these people. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time.